Okay, fine. Most people who get lost in the wild don't have the luxury of having a fire steel. You know, most people routinely carry what? Cell phone, wallet, keys, but cell phone, even though it's broken and waterlogged, is actually enough to start a fire. Get the battery out of it.
If your cell phone's still working, keep it for if and when you come into range of a signal.
Flip the terminal end off.
But if it's busted, it can still help you. But this should only be used as a last resort. Touching the blade of your knife across the terminals short circuits the battery, creating sparks and heat.
I feel that getting hot, and as soon as I cut into the battery, it's going to expose the lithium to the oxygen, and that makes a spark, heat and oxygen that's going to create fire. I have the tinder ready. Okay, watch out. Here we go. Well, that's going. It's all about priorities. If you've got a cell phone that's waterlogged and not working, you're freezing cold, use that battery, make fire, and save your life. Whew.